Hey Arham, how's it going?
Hey Maya, I'm good. Just trying to stay healthy these days. Seems like everyone's getting sick lately.
Yeah, I've noticed that too. It's crazy how fast germs spread, especially when people don't pay attention to hygiene.
Exactly. I've been extra careful, washing my hands more often, carrying hand sanitizer everywhere.
Same here. Honestly, it's such a simple thing, but it makes a huge difference. Good hygiene is like the first line of defense.
Totally. Plus, I've been trying to eat healthier too. More fruits and vegetables, less junk food.
That's smart. What you eat really affects how strong your immune system is. I've been drinking more water too. It's crazy how much better you feel when you stay hydrated.
Yeah, I never realized how much dehydration messes with your energy until I started paying attention. Sleep matters a lot too, right?
Definitely. Sleep is like your body's time to repair itself. Without enough sleep, even the best hygiene and diet won't help much.
Ha ha ha, true. I used to think pulling all-nighters made me cool. Now I'm like, nope, sleep is the real superpower.
Same. Also, small habits make a big difference, like covering your mouth when you cough and not sharing bottles or utensils.
Yeah, and cleaning your phone. People forget that our phones are like magnets for germs.
Ugh, totally. I wipe mine down at least once a day now. It's all about being mindful, right?
Exactly. It's not about being paranoid, it's about respecting yourself and others. A little effort goes a long way.
Well said. Honestly, good health isn't just luck, it's a daily choice.
Absolutely. Let's keep each other on track. Healthy habits, buddies?
Smiling deal. Let's do it.